What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable install unknown apps in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on special access. Now here scroll down and tap on install unknown apps option, and from here you can enable apps to install unknown apps. So if you want to allow a app to install unknown apps in your phone, then turn on its respective button, and after that app can install unknown apps in your phone. So that's how you can enable install unknown apps in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.